Dear friends, in this video, I'll guide you through how to make the most of the SUPERexam platform for your SQE1 preparation. Your dashboard provides key information about upcoming sessions, services, and training resources. If you have any booked events, like live revision sessions, they will appear here. You can also access your booked one-to-one sessions, study groups, and materials in the library or courses. At the top of the dashboard, you'll find a folder with useful webinars about the SQE1 exam and our preparation approach. If you have any questions, you can find the platform administrator's contact details at the bottom of the dashboard. The library contains video and podcast lectures, multiple choice questions, flashcards, and study materials. To study a specific subject, go to the SQE Law Lectures folder, open it, and select the law subject you need. Some topics, like constitutional and administrative law, legal system, and legal services, are grouped together under Legal System, Public Law, and Legal Services. In the library, you will also find SQE1 multiple choice question bundles. They are divided into FLK1 and FLK2 topics, with additional mixed tests. There are free SRA sample tests and premium SQE1 mock bundles. Our SQE1 MCQs come in two formats: training mode, where you receive correct answers and explanations after each question, and exam mode, where answers and explanations are revealed at the end of the test, along with your score. To help you assess your performance, we've integrated a scaled scoring system. While the SRA only uses scaled scoring to standardize exam difficulty across sittings, we've applied it to individual questions so you can see your performance across varying levels of difficulty. Our test interface replicates the actual SQE1 exam, allowing you to flag questions for review and use an on-screen calculator where needed. In addition to pre-recorded lectures, we offer live revision sessions covering law updates, exam strategies, and complex topics. Candidates can also participate in interactive MCQ discussions, ask questions in advance or during the session. To join an event, browse upcoming sessions in the Events section, purchase a ticket unless it's already included in your package, submit any questions in advance, and attend the session at the scheduled time. After the session, you'll have access to the recording and slides. Courses follow a structured timeline, bringing together all SQE1 study materials in a logical order. They include law modules covering all practice areas, multiple choice training, mock exams, and unique synopsis notes with an editing tool, allowing you to personalize and download your study notes for long-term use. For those who need additional support, one-to-one law sessions with qualified solicitors or barristers are available. These personalized sessions allow you to focus on specific areas of law. You can specify up to 3 topics or questions in advance. To book a session, go to the booking section, select one-to-one law lesson with a tutor, choose your area of law, tutor, date and time, and confirm. The payment is deducted automatically from your wallet. Once booked, the session will appear in your classroom, where you can access instructions and submit any questions in advance. Your wallet section is where you manage payments and purchases. You can top up your balance, subscribe to a package, and review all your transactions. You can also use the built-in calculator to estimate costs, qualify for bulk purchase discounts, and choose to pay via Stripe or request an invoice for a bank transfer. Packages can be purchased directly without topping up first. You can also join a study group for peer discussions, resource sharing, and chat support. Some study groups are tailored for candidates from specific jurisdictions and include mentorship from experienced legal professionals who can guide you through the SQE1 preparation and career-related queries. Your booked events and mock exams automatically sync with Google Calendar, helping you stay organized. The SUPERexam platform offers a complete solution for SQE1 preparation. Whether you prefer self-study, live training, one-to-one coaching, or study groups, we are here to support you every step of the way. Let's prepare together and build a strong global legal community.